And here's another vacuum video. This time it's for my Hoover 350, my Hoover Elite 350. Got this one in 2022 from a yard sale. It's missing a headlight, and it's missing the knob, the height adjustment knob, and it's got the original cord. Everything else is original. Kickstand works, but there's a trick to it. So like, see, it stands. If you want to make it click, you have to like take your foot and like lift that little black part up, and then voila. And then you can just walk her. So it does work. Allow me to show you. Pink Hoover Elite 350. She works amazing. This has been another demonstration of another great 80s vacuum. I believe it's from 88. Anywhere from 88 to about 91. Pretty old, yet still powerful. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe. I'm out.